Namaskar. Hello everybody. In this video we will talk about Bhujangasana. So before looking at the benefits of Bhujangasana, we will look into the contradictions of Bhujangasana. So in case you have severe lower back issue, you have severe lower back pain, then you should avoid this posture. And in also if you have cervical issue, if you are suffering from spondylosis, then you can also avoid these postures. And now look at the benefits of this asana. So it's a back bend, so it's provide you greater strength in your back. It tones your shoulder, it tones your lower back. It also provides you the expansion of your chest. So your lung capacity in this posture will increase. So now let's get on to the mat. Now to do Bhujangasana, lie down on your back, feet together from the back, untuck your toes, chin on the ground, on the floor, and gently place your palms below your shoulders. And inhale. As you inhale, start moving your body up, vertebrae by vertebrae. Very slowly, you're lifting your shoulders up and your chest up. And keeping your elbows close to the body. You can gaze front, you can look forward, or you can look up. Keep breathing in and out, feeling the expansion of your chest, feeling the sensation in your back. Stay there. Keep breathing in and out. And as you exhale, start moving down. Once again, breathe in. Press your palms into the floor, into the mat, and then slightly move your body up. Look up. So the navel is just above the floor, keeping your navel just above the floor. Relax your thyroid. Look up. And exhale, vertebrae by vertebrae, come down. Relax. Relax your palms. Facing your. Now we will look into the things that you should avoid while doing these postures. So when you lift your shoulders up and lift your chest up, your elbows may go away from the body. So try to keep your elbows close to the body. And your shoulders may go up like this. So you just relax your shoulders, take them down, and just relax your shoulders. And keep breathing in and out. So this is not full cobra posture. So you need not to go up all the way. So your navel is just above the floor. Keep it just above the floor. Either you look forward or you look up. And exhale. So these are the things that one should avoid while doing this asana.